Today I'm going to be repairing this bodyline dent. I'm going to be using a brand new tool, one that's specifically designed to work dents like this that run across the bodyline. So keep watching to find out what it is, how to use it, and exactly how it helps me fix dents like this that run across the bodyline. So usually with a door dent like this, I'm reaching for my standard door bar. This particular one's from BLE. It's what I call a hockey stick style tool due to the shape of it. And it's got a fairly rounded kind of blade tip as opposed to a point. Now this particular one has the adjustable handle, which is great just to be able to move it and lock it into different positions. Really helps your wrist and kind of getting the right strength once you're sort of working on that bar. Now my standard bar is like this. The tip is this way around, and it's ideal for getting in behind damage like this, giving it a little twist, a little lean, and gently pushing out the damage. But today I'm going to try a new tool. It's very similar. Again, it's from Edgy Tools here in the UK. You may just about read that on there. Again, adjustable handle, so really good. But this time round, my blade is a subtle difference, but the blade is here as opposed to here. So just to put both tools together, it's kind of, I think perpendicular is the right word for that blade tip being sort of 90 degrees to the handle. So the idea with this, I'm going to be more leaning or pushing with the bar as opposed to twisting that I sometimes do with the other style. What I'm hoping to do is get in like that, straight behind this bodyline dent, and then as I push the bar this way, it's going to get this tip right into the bodyline and help me start to work out that damage. Now the dent itself is relatively shallow, it's not too deep, not too sharp. So I'm actually going to use one of the little plastic caps. They do supply these as well, and they're ideal just to easily slot onto the end of there. Anytime you're working with these caps, you do have to be careful. Eventually you can burst through, and then very quickly you're in trouble working metal to metal. But with a little tip like this on the end, I can get straight to my damage and then start to lever the bar like that. So I'm levering off the kind of bend of the bar, and that's what's giving my leverage, so the tip of my bar can start working on the lows. So to start this repair, I'm going straight for the bodyline. My main focus is to restore that line, get it really nice and crisp, back where it should be. Now some of that dent, there's a little tail that sits just below the line, so I'm teasing that out at the same time. But my main focus is applying pressure to the lowest part of the dent that sits right on that bodyline itself. I've got the tip of the tool on the line, and using a pushing technique, I'm able to start restoring that panel. Now this is the most expensive knockdown that I've bought. However, I find it really useful, really comfortable. This one's from Edgy Tools, it's the control punch. Being able to put my fingers through those holes just means I've got a really nice sort of hold on it, really good support. And of course it's got an interchangeable tip, which just means it's pretty versatile for my knocking down. So I'm going to fast forward this next section of the repair so you can get an idea of where my tool tip is, but also my working position as I repair this dent. So I've kept this soft tip on the end of the tool the whole time. It's given me a really nice smooth push. I've not created any kind of nasty high spots, anything too much to sort of tap down. So yeah, first impression of this tool, I really like it, being it's slightly different. Rather than my usual twisting, trying to get the leverage, I can really work off this curve, really get a nice push to it. Really get this tip into the area I want to. And having that leverage, it's really given me a nice clean repair. And then relatively quickly, I've removed the small little dent that was on the body line.
Hey, if you enjoy my videos here on YouTube and you want to learn exactly how to fix dents like this yourself using paintless dent removal, enroll in my PDR Foundation course. You'll find the link to our training straight below this video in the description. Sign up today, I'll see you on the inside and help you get started in your PDR career.
So I hope you've enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.